Hello, this is part 9, Grenade Radial Damage. Ow! Ow! In the first-person template, the player uses a projectile, but in my code, I was using a line trace to apply the damage. So I'm going to change the code so it no longer uses the line trace for the player, and I'm going to have the projectile cause the damage using a apply radial damage node. Double click the first person character. Look for the do shoot code and the input action shoot code. Highlight everything and press delete. Compile and save. Double click FirstPersonProjectile. Highlight CollisionComponent. Go down here under Collision and find Pawn and check Block, and just make sure that everything else is in the block like mine is. Then compile and save. And double click the first person projectile. These nodes are the ones I added. Note that the hit location goes here and here. False goes here, and the output of this goes here, and the output of this goes here. This is Blueprint Effect Explosion. This is 100, 100, and damage type for damage type class. When you're done, compile and save. Under Content, Starter Content, Blueprints. Double click Blueprint Effect Explosion. Program this blueprint. After 3 seconds delay, it'll destroy this actor. You wouldn't be able to tell the difference without this because the particle effect is invisible after it plays, but it's better to destroy the actor when you're done with it. I'll press play to test. Ow!